Hi folks, this is Hariom for CBNA. Today we are going to do another video on starting positions. A lot of people have very good idea on different types of starting positions and things like that, but some of you may not be able to clearly understand why we have to do, or what is the value of starting positions and what is the value of doing exercise in different starting positions. So in this video I'm going to do sort of ankle movements in 3 positions, and we will see what happens in those 3 positions, right? So the first starting position is long sitting, or even if I'm lying, it's the same because we are going to move only the ankle joint. So I'm going to do a dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, right? This we will call it as starting position 1, right? So I'm doing a dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. Just think about what muscle will be working when I'm doing a dorsiflexion and a plantar flexion, right? So the next is I'm going to do the same in standing. So I'm going up and down, because I can also go like this also, right? Up and down. This is the standing starting position. We will call it as position 2, right? So I can either do this or do this. This heel rise up and down. What muscle works when I am going up and what muscle works when I am going down, right? The third starting position, right, the position 3 is high sitting. Again I am doing a dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. Think about what muscle works when I am doing dorsiflexion and plantar flexion. So if you think about what muscle works, what type of contraction happens in these 3 starting positions, you will understand why we are doing activity or exercise in 3 different starting positions. You can do it in n number of times in these 3 starting positions, why we are doing these exercise, right? Thank you. If you want to hear more, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.